Okay, so this is my bike. Sorry, correction. This is the bike that I borrowed from my friend, Gracie, if you want to know. So, the task today is to find any materials that I can possibly use as a lock for the bike. Because sometimes I want to cycle and then, you want to stop somewhere and yeah. Why am I not buying one? It's because I have no money to buy one. So, I'm convinced that there's something inside my storeroom behind me that I can use as a lock for the bike. Yep. I don't think I'm gonna find anything. It is cutting through. Can you see that? Oh shit! Oh! Well, that failed. That would not deter criminals from stealing my bike. Shit. Oh, look at that. It's gonna be like that. Stupid dust. Ah. Check out my contraption. Do you think it's gonna hold? Check this out. Okay, so basically what I want to do is I'm gonna try, how about try and make a, what do you call that? A bike lock from a clothes hanger. So let's try this. Okay. Let's try the cut test. It's a bit difficult, more difficult. Okay. Well, it's not impenetrable, but definitely a lot harder. Okay, so basically this is how the Sony camera looks like. As I was saying, it's a cyber shot. It looks impressive because the build looks quite nice. It's quite nice to hold. It's small and it looks functional. I always appreciate design that's functional. And it's impressive stickers. Look, it says 720p HD movie. I think that's kind of old for technology already, but whatever. I'll take whatever I can get. Let's check it out. My camera has a name. It's called Sean K. I did not know that. Sean K. Mr. K.